Hello everyone, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and I'm out in Shaver Park, downtown Wayzata, looking at what they call the Trapper's Cabin. This is made out of tamarack logs, stood north of town. I can't remember what's on the plaque over there, but I'll take a shot of it for you. Anyway, it was relocated in 2012, I believe, and it's needs some work. And the city finally came up with the money after I looked at it originally 3 years ago. It's got masonry chinking in it, and I think we probably will use the same. I can't remember what actually put in my proposal. Some of the logs need to get replaced. I don't think there's going to be any refacing done here. But one of the weird things is that all of the chinking is covered up with these little saplings that got the bark, still got the bark on them yet, which isn't a great idea. But and I don't know what this is for here. Is that a gun port? I don't think so. Well, anyway, yeah, our job is to come up with some logs that are the same approximate size as this, and replace those that are on the bottom, and then redo all of the chinking, and put these guys back in here. Which should be kind of a chore to put that into wet chinking. But I'm sure that my guys can figure out how to do that. That's actually got some like tar paper under it. Well, I don't think it's helping protect the logs at all. So anyway, this is our restoration project for this summer, some point this time. No, they got some more. They got some more stuff on here. Anyhow, I did not bring a tape along, so I'm guessing that's a 14-inch diameter log on that end, and it looks like it's tapered in this direction, so this side will be a little bit less, and the one on the end here just slides in there, so we don't have to worry about notching that. But parking down here is a joke. We'll be hopefully allowed to drive in here and park on the lawn, because there isn't anything on the street. So I don't think there's anything to do inside, but probably some chinking. Let's see if I can see what's inside here. Oh yeah, you can see that. There's the little, the chinking here doesn't have the saplings stuck in it. So that should be pretty easy. And that's the least of my worries. Trying to put these guys on the outside here. You can see how this one was actually put into wet material, or that chinking was put in from the inside. Maybe that's how they did it. But anyway, we got to put some wire mesh in there to keep the stuff in place and hold it better. So it's been an interesting, challenging job. I don't know why this looks like it's insect damage here, because it's so far up underneath the roof. I don't believe it's due to the rain and the weather. Anyhow, this is our new project for this year. So you'll be seeing more of it as we go and get started. Thanks for watching.